What's going on, guys? In today's episode, we're going to be assessing the suspension damage in the S2000 and seeing what we have to replace and what parts are going to be good and not. And we're going to be picking up the parts as well and trying to install what we can. The weather has been kind of iffy lately. It's some rain, some cold, and then we have a few nice days in between. So hopefully we get everything done we need to, and you guys enjoy. You guys remember how to use one of these bad boys? Look at that, nice tire, Dunzo. Yeah, you can see, shot. It just sheared off. So snap off right there, right down there. Oh yeah, she's seen better days. Oh, this is hanging on for dear life. That's not good. Do not want to deal with anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wheel underneath there so it doesn't just sag like that. This sucks, man. Look how new this tire is. Potenza RE760 Sport Bridgestone. This thing's Dunzo. Sad. Got this little setup for now. That bottom main A-arm looks fine. You can see this rotor. R.I.P.
Nothing shall be impossible. The president says there is no burden too heavy for God to lift.
Amen. So I'm headed to Toledo once again to get the S2000 parts. I'm gonna get most of the parts there that I need besides the passenger fender, passenger headlight, and the front bumper. I might buy the front bumper from the dealer because I found one for $200, but I can get one for $280 from the dealer brand new. So it might not be worth the hassle driving anywhere far for it. So I'm getting both of the headlight bracket, the driver's side fender, driver's side headlight, basically most of the stuff that I need to get the whole car fixed. And then the rest of the parts I'm gonna figure out. It's 8:30 right now, I'll be there around 10:30. A little drive ahead of me, but hey, catch you there. Shout out to my fiance's uncle hooking up the bad boy van, flex fuel. Gas is so cheap right now. I'm spending my time a little bit to go get these parts, but totally worth it. Yeah, buddy. You don't want a radiator, do you? I don't think so. Mine has fluid in it still. I think I'm okay on the radiator. So as usual, out here trying to get a bunch of random parts that I need. Basically gonna take these few parts here and go from there. Fender I was gonna get, the headlight I was gonna get, the wheel I was gonna get, all are trashed. So back to square one, I'm gonna get some parts I need, load them up. See you in a bit. To get that, take care. Oh, S2000 graveyard, an Insight graveyard. All my ballers out there. So got some parts I needed. Did not get the fender, did not get the headlight, did not get the wheel. All three parts that are major. So that sucks, but it is what it is, man. I got a lot of good pieces I need. He hooked it up with the pricing. Catch you guys later. So I'm back in town. I dropped the parts off in a garage. I found a couple of fenders I have laying around, so they'll probably be good to use to align the frame. So here's a better look. Control arm snapped strut. Ugh. I don't like the look of the strut. It's definitely, I don't know if you can tell, but definitely got a little curve to her. So I'm definitely gonna change the strut, but for now, just to get the wheel, able to stay straight and everything, I'm just gonna change this control arm. I don't know why I'm so blind, but this outer tie rod is Dunzo. So I mean, that's a cheap part. I'm gonna get that from like AutoZone or something. Usually like 20-30 bucks. So nasty. So don't be like me. Put your gloves on. I don't know why. I literally had gloves on my desk. Don't know why I didn't put my gloves. So now, yeah, I cut myself. So that's sick. Dude, I'm done. I'm just kidding. So, this thing's toast. Little thing stuck in there. There she is. Toast. I don't have any safety glasses, so I'm gonna have to wear some shades. I meant to say inner and outer. Gonna need that outer and also that inner as well, so let's keep it going. The best part about buying damaged cars and salvage cars, there's always surprises. That OEM wheel got yammed. Got smacked there and up there. So I just went ahead and put the wheel back on. I'm gonna go ahead and get the strut and then the inner outer tie rod, and then hopefully this wheel will be straight till we come back to this beauty next time. So update with the finished S2000, the EPS issue. I was kind of troubleshooting it, took off the module, and it didn't look too bad. I really didn't do any tests because I have another module in the new one I picked up, the damaged one. So I took the one off the damaged one, swapped it in this one, and fixed the issues completely. Drives like a dream. I did the relearn and it feels amazing. So yeah, I have actually someone that's interested in the car. Power steering's perfect. That's a little update on that car. I hope you're enjoying the new one. Stay tuned. So it's the first official day of quarantine, and it's definitely a little gloomy out here. So got the spindle, and I'm gonna try to get that on today. Got the spindle, got the brake rotor. Gonna try to get the rear end kind of squared up right now. We shall see how far we get. It's freezing outside. It's a little weird because of the epidemic going around, so let's see what we can do. Got the impact. Maybe this will help me out actually a little bit with getting those ball joints off. So I actually got the axle nut, broke it loose like an hour ago. Came out here with a 36mm, broke that loose. Main thing I want to do is try to get this bolt off. If I can get that off, I'll actually be super happy. You gotta do some kung fu when working on cars. You guys probably have some better ideas than me, but I don't. I'm trying to figure out what's the best thing to do to hold that broken piece. Fits over this pretty well, so I'm gonna try to hook it somewhere and just use it as leverage, because as you can tell, it's not easy. I'm messing with this stuff right now. It's not. There's no good mounting spot. Oh, smacked my hand pretty good. So yeah, that sucked. There's a piece of my glove. Smacked my hand pretty good right there. So I guess I'm gonna just get a whole new A-arm, buy that and call it a day. I see where the boot got torn. It got damaged and damaged some of the components inside. So definitely not fun when it doesn't go how you planned it, but that's life. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and get the brake calipers off and then try to remove the spindle. Took some impact. That was pretty annoying. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to just get this bottom one. Hopefully it's not that bad. I'm definitely gonna order that upper control arm. That ball joint just shot. So I definitely want to get just better equipment to work on, but the only thing holding it on is that axle nut. So go ahead and slide that bad boy off, and there's that. Check this out. Like, let's just go over that bottom ball joint just got tore out completely. Top control arm snapped completely off right there. Look at this. That's some carnage, guys. Be safe out there. Happy I got this off though. Gonna go to this pile over here. So I'm gonna try and go get that off right there. So my approach is going to be, number one, just go ham. I should definitely get something to kind of hold that axle up, but at this point, it's been a rough day. I'm just gonna roll with the punches. I'm gonna try to just get that thing off, just with the impact, and see what happens. So yeah, there's that. Little update, lower ball joint off. This one is, yeah, right. Really cool shipping. Shout out to these guys for shipping it so well. They like almost like molded this thing in here. It looks sweet. I don't see any issues with it. I'm not gonna put it in right now. I don't want to risk water getting in it and the bearing going bad. So I'm just gonna put it in the trunk for now. I'm gonna come back Thursday with the inner tie rod puller, so then we can get both inner outer tie rods changed as well as the strut. I'm basically gonna clean up a little bit. Definitely a little more difficult than I anticipated, which it always is. Nothing's gonna stop us, we'll get it done. I'm gonna probably go and search for a good control arm that I can buy, and then be back to work on the front end Thursday. See you then. So I'm gonna be going ahead and replacing the strut right now, as well as the inner and outer tie rod. Hopefully everything goes smooth and we don't run into too much issues. I have a little bit of a crowd over here. Hope I don't catch this pillow on fire. Put that back on. Slip, 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 slowly. That's cool. Junk pile. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get that inner tie rod out. So take this off a little bit. Gonna have to reuse these clamps in the boot. So I'm gonna go and do that right now. So I'm gonna use the old tie rod, see how many threads it was to kind of somewhat get a correct alignment, just so it kind of looks straight, so it's not completely off. So it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 threads. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the strut, this lower bolt off, and then after that, a few miscellaneous brackets that are attached to it here, brake line, and then 2 bolts up top, and it should be good. So I gotta buy some end links too. End links broke. Sick. Woo! Garbage parcel. So the rain held off on me a little bit. I was able to get, boom, control arm's good, struts on, new inner outer tie rod, and stabilizer link broke. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten all this up finally, put on the things, put on the tire, and that should be it. Suspension on driver's side done. Besides that linkage, alignment looks pretty much good. It's going a little bit left, so it looks good. Glad I got most of that finished up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We got most of the suspension parts installed that we needed to. Have a few more on the way and some other parts as well. A few difficulties we ran into, but you know, it always is like that. Run into some stuff you didn't expect. Hopefully in the next episode we'll have the car sitting on all 4 wheels. Once the car is on all 4, we'll be able to drive it to the frame shop so we can get the necessary pulls needed to make sure all the panels align correctly. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order some parts from the dealership, like both fenders and front bumper, since the cost is a little bit more than buying used, and I know that they're gonna be perfect and nothing I'm gonna need to do bodywork wise. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see the progress with the car. I appreciate all the love and support thus far with the build and everything else. A lot of craziness going on out there right now, so y'all be safe and be superish.